So a trip to Dorset wouldn't be complete, would it, without a visit to Weymouth? Thought we'd stop off in Weymouth and have a wander along the front. We've parked at the Lodmoor. We used to come here when our daughters were very little. We used to park here virtually every day when we spend our summer holidays in Weymouth. And we walk along the front. Wow. This brings back a lot of memories. Love these terrace houses along here. They have the best views of Weymouth in my view.
We used to come here every summer with the girls when they were little. It was great. We used to push the buggy along here with windbreaks, picnic mats, buckets and spades. Happy days, nice memories. And now we're old.
Now we're old, grey. We're old and grey, and our girls, they're growing up. They love us though. They still love us very much. It's just that we don't push them anymore, and one day they'll be pushing us. So Weymouth Beach, in my opinion, has two types of beaches. This part of the beach, which is very pebbly, and then further up, near to the clock, it's mostly sand. And the famous Weymouth clock is over there. That's where we're heading to now. In the summer, this place will be heaving. Heaving. Holiday makers, sunbathers. Another big claim to fame for Weymouth. In the 2012 Olympics held in the UK, all the water sports were held here. Very nice apartments. So all these are guest houses. You can stay for a few days in Weymouth. So we're staying on the coastal path, and we're just going to enjoy Weymouth front. This is the Jubilee Clock. Why the Jubilee Clock? That's why. So many a year ago, we spent so many hours on this beach with Emma and Laura. The other end of the high street, and we're heading towards the harbour where all the boats come in with all the catches of the day. Come full circle back to the front, and here is the famous Weymouth Pavilion. So we've done a loop from the harbour and we're heading back now along the front. Do you think there'll be a sand sculpture now? Let's have a look. Well, they've started a sand sculpture for the spring season. Oh, yes there is! Oh wow! Oh wow! They've been doing sand sculptures here for over 100 years. Very clever. Back at the clock, we thought we'd walk back along the beach. Feel the sand between our trainers. Our short break in Dorset is coming to an end. We've had a really good weekend, so I hope you've enjoyed our series of Dorset vlogs as much as what we have. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the like button, and we shall see you on our next adventure. See you next time. Bye.